This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER fairy tale Dumbo. Enjoy the exciting, heartwarming story of Dumbo, the world's only flying elephant. Born a misfit, scorned by his own kind and a circus he loves, Dumbo and his friend Timothy Mouse bring the world to its feet with their thrilling aerobatics above the big top. A classic Disney story with a timeless message of love's triumph over all. Watch Dumbo fly into your heart in amazing 3D. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. Messenger stork arrives. Picture 2. A bundle for Miss Jumbo. Picture 3. Dumbo is born. Picture 4. Ears. Picture 5. Elephants laugh. Picture 6. A mother's love. Picture 7. Whoops. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. Look at the funny ears. Picture 2. Miss Jumbo is angry. Picture 3. Sad Dumbo. Picture 4. Timothy Mouse takes Dumbo. Picture 5. To see Mom. Picture 6. Dumbo and Timothy wake up in a tree. Picture 7. A fall into a pond. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Sad journey back to the circus. Picture 2. Maybe you can fly, Dumbo. Picture 3. Dumbo soars. Picture 4. Practicing. Picture 5. Dumbo sails above the big top. Picture 6. Read all about it. Picture 7. Miss Jumbo and Dumbo are famous.